The world is vast. This city's my past. Barcelona, London, Paris. I love them all. But a different kind of high. Dubai. A city born where dreams align. Steel and sun in perfect time. Glass meets sky. The silence hums. A place that says, you have become. A house of light, of stone, of view. Every wall reflects what's true. Not just a home, but who you are. Built from vision, will, and far. What's the point of living somewhere if it's not the best?